Have you ever wondered how you can lose a few extra pounds, a little belly fat here and there? Well, what if I tell you that the food that you eat plays a significant role in reducing those insecurities? Here are 10 fruits that can help you lose weight fast. After all, fruits are low in fat, sodium, and calories, and they definitely help you lose weight. Number 1. Guavas. Guavas are rich with nutrients and it can help you lose weight without compromising your intake of proteins, vitamins, or fiber. This delicious tropical fruit is packed with vitamins, proteins, and minerals. It's a win-win when you consider these benefits with a small number of digestible carbohydrates and the fact that guava contains zero cholesterol. Guavas, when it's raw, have less sugar compared to other fruits such as apples, oranges, or grapes, and they indeed keep your metabolism regulated. I would strongly recommend adding this one on your checklist. Number 2. Watermelon. Watermelon is one of the best fruits that you can use if you're trying to lose weight. Watermelon in itself is already 90% water. It is also a great source of amino acid, which helps you burn fat very quickly. In addition to helping the body stay hydrated, a watermelon snack will make you feel full without having any craving between meals. Man, I'm about to get me some watermelon. I don't know about y'all. Number 3. Apples. With just one apple a day, especially with the skin on it, gives our body an average of 4.4 grams of fiber, which is about 1/5 of our daily need. That's incredible. Apples are a rich source of a powerful fiber called pectin. Eating apples or pears before meals result in a significant weight loss according to a study published by a nutrition journal. Now that's amazing. Number 4. Grapefruit. This juicy, delicious fruit, which was created by crossing a pomelo with an orange in the 18th century, is a fantastic source of pectin. It contains a great amount of vitamin C, folic acid, and potassium. Pink and red grapefruits are packed with vitamin A. In fact, eating a grapefruit about half an hour before your daily meals will help you feel more satisfied, which will result in less consumption of foods and calories. Number 5, one of my personal favorites, bananas. Rich with proteins, bananas are healthier than most energy bars, which often contain a lot of sugar and chemicals. Although the average banana contains 27 grams of carbs, the fruit can help you lose weight because it only has 105 calories and 3 grams of filling fiber. Bananas also help you fight muscle cramps, keep the blood pressure low, and prevent acidity. Number 6, pears. Another fruit high in fiber pectin, also been shown to suppress your appetite. Plus, all the fiber in pears helps you keep you satisfied longer, and the pears may reduce your cholesterol levels and your risk of coronary heart disease. That's great. Instead of turning to the vending machine, grab a pear. It might help save your life, and not only that, but shed a few pounds. Number 7, blueberries. All berries are good for you, but blueberries are one of the best in the bunch, especially if you want to lose some weight. The CDC says that 1 cup of blueberries is 83 calories. That's amazing, right? Blueberries boast a lot of nutrients, which helps them fight fat by boosting your metabolism and efficiently burning calories. Whether you eat the blueberries raw or with a smoothie, it wouldn't hurt to just try it as a fat loss resolution. Number 8, oranges. Like grapefruits, oranges are citrus fruits that are amazing for weight loss. High in fiber and water content, they'll help you feel full. Another great thing about oranges are they're always in season and there's no shortage of ways to add the fruit to your diet. Number 9, avocados. Avocados are enriched with omega-9 fatty acids and it's a great way to lose weight. Matter of fact, it's actually one of the best fruits on this list. It speeds up your metabolism by burning the fat and boosting your energy. You will also gain several other health benefits. So have an avocado on a regular basis and you will lose weight and you will also stay fit. So whether you make a salad or you just eat the avocado raw, it really doesn't matter. It all works the same. Number 10, pineapples. Pineapples are loaded with vitamins, manganese, potassium, high water contents, and digestive enzymes. I would definitely add pineapple on the list, not because that is one of my favorite fruits, but I believe that pineapple also, like many on this list, is a very nutritious fruit that will help you lose weight, and I believe that it's one of my top recommended fruits. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this list. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you guys put in a comment and just let me know your thoughts. Peace.